Hi there, Annie here. I'm going to talk to you about how to set up fast operator switching. This is really useful if you just want your team to run the POS and not the rest of the partner centre. Anyone with the orders and bookings role in users, groups and accounts, such as Zena Brown here, can operate the POS. And this person's got all the rights, so they've got a shield icon. There's also another one underneath with an Android icon, as Zena is also an Epos operator. So when she logs out as an admin and into the till only, it will recognise her as an Epos user, and I'll show you how to set that up. Best practice is to tell your staff to go to the front of your store, the website, and sign in. If they don't have an account, they can create one. Okay, once your team member has an account, they'll appear as a customer in users, groups and accounts. That's where you add them as an Epos operator, so they turn into an Android icon as well as their own personal profile. Then go to the administrator dashboard and mark the device you're going to use as an Epos operator's device only. Make sure you watch the tutorial on how to register a device as a terminal. Okay, so let's say we want to register my computer on my desk as a till for operators only. I go to the administration dashboard and click on Epos configuration. Tillex runs on any device and you can have as many devices registered as you like. So make sure you log into the correct device and not someone else's. You can see in Epos operators, I'm there as an Android as I've been registered. Then I go over to the terminal and choose SD17, which is my computer, and click on Fast Operator Switching, followed by Epos Operators Only. If you have more than one person operating the till, then select Idle Timeout. I'd usually give it 1 minute so that each person who's operating the device will have to put their own 6 or 4 PIN numbers in. You'll see it happen in just a moment. So you'll notice there were 3 terminals listed on this platform, and I'm making sure that Annie Penn, Epos operator, is the only one that can operate this terminal. Then going back to the Partner Centre main menu, I can still see it all because I'm an admin and I'm logged in as Annie Penn, the admin. So when I go to the POS, I'll still be able to see a back button through to the Partner Centre. If I sign out, it will immediately recognise I'm only using the POS and ask me to create a PIN. So I chose 4 digits and here we go. I won't be able to see the Partner Centre in a minute. And there you are. I can't see the Partner Centre because I'm a POS operator. If I want to get back into the Partner Centre and work on marketing or the inventory or the website, etc., I have to click on Online Store and log out as an Epos operator, which doesn't have a phone number or an email, and then log back in again with my email address, and it will recognise what rights I've been given, and I can get straight back in. Hope that helps, and do look out for more tutorials.